Hello everyone. This is BSc second year real analysis lecture. Yesterday we have discussed what is mean by neighborhood of a point. So neighborhood कुठलाही point real number मधला दिला तर आपण त्याची neighborhood कशी लिहितो? a minus delta to a plus delta आपण काय घेतो त्याची neighborhood where delta is a small positive real number. Today now I'm going to discuss what is mean by deleted neighborhood of a point A. Deleted neighborhood of a point A. नावातच आहे त्याच्या डिलीटेड. डिलीटेड नेबरहुड ऑफ पॉइंट ए त्याचे डेफिनेशन काय आहे? इट इज नेबरहुड ऑफ अ पॉइंट ए फ्रॉम विच a point A has been deleted or excluded. Has been deleted or excluded. ह्याचा अर्थ काय? डिलीटेड नेबरहुड ऑफ अ पॉइंट ए म्हणजे काय? एची नेबरहुड घ्या आणि एला त्याच्यामधून काय करा, काढून टाका. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? डिलीटेड नेबरहुड ऑफ अ पॉइंट ए. तर तो सेट कसा दाखवायचा? तो सेट असा दाखवा, ए मायनस डेल्टा टू ए प्लस डेल्टा. दिस इज अ ओपन सेट अँड रिमूव्ह सिंगलटन सेट ए फ्रॉम दिस सेट. So we can show the deleted neighborhood of a point A like this. Also, yes, it's said to be deleted neighborhood of a point A if less than delta, right? So the distance between all those real numbers from point A is greater than 0. तुम्हाला माहित आहे कुठल्याही पॉईंटचं त्याच्या स्वतः पासूनचं डिस्टन्स किती असतं? 0 असतं. सो डिस्टन्स बिटवीन x and A must be greater than 0. This implies that A does not belongs to S. This implies that A does not belongs to S. So yes काय शो करतो? x minus A is less than delta. This shows that this implies minus delta is less than x minus A is less than plus delta. This shows that A minus delta is less than S is less than A plus delta, from which A is excluded or deleted. We can show all points, x minus delta, A minus delta, all those points between A plus delta and A minus delta. If the given point is A, then A minus delta, A plus delta, from which A is deleted or excluded, is called as deleted neighborhood of a point A. Now this was the definition and explanation of deleted neighborhood of a point A. आता मी जर एखादा क्वेश्चन विचारला, मी तुम्हाला एक पॉईंट दिला, टू बिलॉंग्स टू सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स अँड फाइंड द डिलीटेड नेबरहुड ऑफ 2. तर काय करणार? पहिल्यांदा 2ची नेबरहुड फाइंड करणार. 2ची नेबरहुड कशी आहे? 2 मायनस डेल्टा 2 प्लस डेल्टा. रियल लाईनवरती कसं दाखवणार? सपोज इथं 2 आहे, ओपन सेट 2 मायनस डेल्टा 2 प्लस डेल्टा. ह्या सेटमधून 2ला काढून टाका फक्त. 2 इज एक्सक्लुडेड or deleted from this neighborhood. Therefore, the deleted neighborhood of 2 is this, from which A has been excluded or deleted. a singleton point 2 is deleted or excluded from this set. Therefore, this is a deleted neighborhood of a point 2. Now, I am going to discuss some illustrations depending on the definition of a neighborhood of a point and deleted neighborhood of a point. Some note 1. The set R of real numbers, a set R of real numbers is neighborhood of each of its points, ह्याचा अर्थ काय आहे? ए मधला कुठलाही पॉईंट घ्या, देयर एक्झिस्ट ओपन इंटरवल आय सच दॅट आय इज कंटेंड इन सेट ऑफ रिअल नंबर्स. आरला कसं दाखवतो आपण? आर इज नथिंग बट -∞ to +∞. This is a open interval. R itself is a open interval. Therefore, if we take any points belongs to R, then A belongs to -∞ to infinity, which is a subset of -∞ to infinity, which is nothing but R. For every point of a set of real numbers, there exists an open interval I, which is itself a set of real numbers, which contained in set of रिअल नंबर्स. कोणताही पॉईंट घ्या तर तुम्हाला अशी ओपन इंटरवल सापडते, ती त्या सेट ऑफ रिअल नंबर्समध्ये काय होते? पूर्ण कंटेन होते. ह्याचा अर्थ काय? फॉर एव्हरी पॉईंट ऑफ अ रिअल नंबर, सेट ऑफ रिअल नंबर्स इज इट्स नेबरहुड. सो द सेट आर ऑफ अ रिअल नंबर्स इज नेबरहुड ऑफ ईच ऑफ इट्स पॉइंट्स. नाउ नोट नंबर सेकंड. Note number second. The set Q of rational numbers, is not a neighborhood of any of its points. Is not a neighborhood of any of its points. You know that we discussed in last I think second and third lecture, set of rational numbers is not a complete. It has a gap. Between any two rational numbers there are infinitely many irrational numbers. So we cannot find any interval in set of rational numbers. So if we cannot find any interval, then there does not exist any neighborhood of a point. So if we take any rational number, 2 belongs to set of rational numbers, there does not exist any open interval which contains 2 and which is contained in Q, because between any two rational numbers there are infinitely many irrational numbers, and irrational numbers does not belong to the rational number. Therefore, set Q of rational numbers, it is not a neighborhood of any of its points. Now note 3. The open interval AB is neighborhood of each of its points. Now open interval itself is an open interval for each and every point of AB. So if we take any, now see this, both A and B does not belongs to this set, the open, it is not closed to both left and right hand. Therefore A comma B does not belongs to this set. Now if we take any points between A and B, let x belongs to open interval AB. So x belongs to open interval AB, which is contained in itself, because every set is a subset of itself. We can write, if A is a set, then A is a subset of A. Every set is a subset of itself. So there exists open interval AB for each member of open interval AB such that it is totally contained in open interval AB. Therefore, open interval AB is a neighborhood of each of its points. Now note number 4. The closed interval AB is neighborhood of open interval AB. We can write also open interval AB and not the neighborhood of its endpoints क्लोज्ड इंटरवल ही त्या ओपन इंटरवलची नेबरहूड आहे, म्हणजे ओपन इंटरवल मधल्या प्रत्येक पॉईंटची क्लोज्ड इंटरवल नेबरहूड आहे. पण हे जे एंड पॉइंट्स आहेत कोणकोणते, ए आणि बी, ह्याची ती फक्त काय आहे, नेबरहूड नाही. सो कुठलाही x बिलॉंग्स टू